Are you tired of receiving endless product emails from Instagram on your PC? Well, I have good news for you. In this video, I will show you how to disable product email notifications in just a few simple steps. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, locate the More icon or the three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the menu. Next, select Notifications from the menu options. This will take you to the Notification Settings page. Now, choose Email Notifications from the list of notification settings. Under the Email Notification section, you will see an option for Product Emails. Click on it and select Off to disable these notifications. And that's it. You have successfully disabled product email notifications on Instagram for your PC. Now, you can enjoy a clutter-free inbox without all those pesky emails. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.